Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on capacitor circuit. So today we'll break down how to analyze mixed capacitors in series and in parallel. So what are capacitors? So capacitors are an electrical component that stores energy in an electrical field. It consists of two conductive plates that are separated by an insulator. So a capacitor can be measured in microfarads, nanofarads, picofarads. So today we're going to tackle on how we would find the total capacitance, charge on each capacitor, and find the voltage across each capacitor on this circuit. So here we have the capacitor 1, which has which is a 6 microfarads, and the capacitor 2 is a 3 microfarads, and the capacitor 3 is a 2 microfarads with a 12 volt voltage in the capacitor in the circuit. So first we're going to find the total capacitance of the whole circuit. So first we're going to get the total capacitance in the parallel circuit of the capacitor. So we're going to use this formula. Parallel with the capacitor 3, and so we're going to substitute with 3 microfarads plus the capacitor of 3, which is 2 microfarads, which is equal to 5 microfarads. So next we're going to get the total capacitance in series. Since our circuit is in series, we're going to get the total capacitance. So after 1 day, 6 microfarads, so 6 microfarads plus the total capacitance in parallel, which is 1 over 5 microfarads. Which is equal to 5 over 30 plus 6 over 30. So the total capacitance in this circuit is 2.73 microfarads. Next, we're going to find the charge of each capacitor. So to get the charge on each capacitor, we're going to use this formula. Q is equal to C V. So since the total capacitance is 2.73 microfarads times the voltage, which is 12 volts, which is equal to 32.7 microfarad. So next, we're going to find the voltage across each capacitor. So to find first we're going to get the voltage line C in capacitor 1. So C 1 5.46 volts. So capacitor 1 has a voltage of 5.46 volts. So next we're going to find the voltage across the capacitors which are in parallel. So this is we're going to subtract the voltage 1 to the 12 volt output minus 5.6 volts. Voltage across the each capacitor in the parallel is 6.54 volts. So I hope this tutorial helped you on how you analyze the total capacitance and charge of this capacitor.